All right, so let's talk about the big sticking point here, and it really boils down to healthcare subsidies. Democrats won't back a funding deal unless Affordable Care Act subsidies are extended. The Republican argument, that can wait. Our Jacqueline Quinn reports on the standoff and the political pressure building now on both sides.
Furloughed federal workers are hoping this week will bring negotiations to avoid a shutdown. Now, the Trump administration has already warned agencies for layoffs if a deal isn't reached.
I call them Democrat layoffs. They're Democrat layoffs. They're causing it. We're ready to go back.
If the president decides that the negotiations are absolutely going nowhere, then there will start to be layoffs. But I think that everybody's still hopeful that when we get a fresh start at the beginning of the week, that we can get the Democrats to see that it's just common sense to avoid layoffs like that.
Republicans urging Democrats to pass their continuing resolution to end the shutdown.
We have an opportunity to pick up a House-passed bill that, if it passes the Senate, will be sent to the White House. The president will sign it, and the government will reopen. It is that simple and that straightforward, and that's all we're talking about here. All we need is a handful more Democrats.
Virginia Congresswoman Jennifer McClellan arguing the fight is about keeping coverage affordable for millions.
I think right now making sure that the American people understand what's at stake, which I think they do, but just reminding them that we are fighting to ensure that when open enrollment starts in less than a month, that they can extend their health insurance without these premiums jumping as much as double, and that we are fighting to make sure that our federal workers get the protections that they need and get back on the job.
The issue at hand, the extension of Affordable Care Act subsidies for 22 million people that are set to expire at the end of the year. Losing the subsidies could mean average out-of-pocket premium payments could double next year from nearly $900 to $1,900, according to research group KFF.
The healthcare issue is a good one for Democrats, and they want the focus to be on that. It's an issue that Republicans have lost on repeatedly. Immigration is a better issue for Republicans politically, so they are trying to frame things that way. They would rather have a fight over immigration.
And tonight, plenty of blame to go around. A new CBS News poll found that in the first 3 days of the shutdown, 39% of those polled blamed President Trump and the Republicans for the shutdown. 30% blamed Democrats. 31% blamed both parties equally. In D.C., I'm Jacqueline Quinn, WUSA 9.